Sheesh!
Ay, iba na yung medal na... Oy, wait lang. Pang-apat na championship na to ni Oheb.
Eh, yung medal parang...
Sakto lang. I'm not sure with the quality of the medal. Parang made of glass.
Yung piniprint.
Parang acrylic.
Oo, acrylic. Hindi nga back-to-back eh.
Bakit naman acrylic?
Ayun o.
Yun yung...
Hindi ba back-to-back?
printed na acrylic.
Mayaman ba? Mahal ba ang acrylic?
Hindi ko lang sure. Depende.
Hindi siya mukhang quality. Pero okay na yan.
Iba pa rin pag metal. May nagamit ang chip naman doon ng medal. And legit, medyo chipipay nga yung medal. Hindi man lang ginawang
parang
metal.
interbarangay eh, no?
Oo, tinaig pa ng interbarangay.
Go! Ayan na yung medal!
Asan?
I want to see the medal din pala.
Medal.
Yan. Let's see kung may improvement. For sure, no? Hindi pwedeng hindi.
Trending na naman.
Ayan.
Ay, makintab,
Ang
sure na.
makinang.
Makinang-kinang na.
Sila yung naka-receive nung nung acrylic.
Sila din naka-receive ng acrylic last season.
Sila yung naka-receive ng acrylic.
Okay, nagat na.
Kinagat na, pwede na.
Pwede nang kagatiyan, hindi na
Patingin
matutuklap.
Kaya naman pala, gusto niyo ibabash pa kayo eh.
Yan, maganda na.
Tinignan talaga ni Coach RC, oh.
Yan, maganda medal at least. Pero si Singsing na wala pa rin. Bakit ba ayaw nilang bigyan ng Singsing ng MPLPH? Anong meron?
Kahit kahit yung idol, matagal na, no?
Pero ang
Bakit
ganda
ayaw
rin ng
binigyan?
storyline kasi, syempre, World Champion din eh. World Cup Champion eh. Tapos MPL, no doubt, lakas ng TL.
Grabe, hakot trophy, no?
Oh my God. Hey, it's no longer acrylic. No longer acrylic. Let's go. No acrylic, Chan. No acrylic. Let's go. W production.